How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. So WhatsApp verification code is such code that help us to verify our number and then continue the process of creation of our WhatsApp account. So if we don't receive WhatsApp verification code, then we cannot proceed towards creation of our WhatsApp account. So the verification code receiving is very important step in creation of our account on WhatsApp. So there might be different reason why you are not receiving or why we are not receiving the WhatsApp verification code. So in order to fix this WhatsApp verification code not received problem, we can follow different way. The first method is you have to open settings on your device, then open app, then select the app management option. Here you have to search for WhatsApp on the search bar, or you can manually scroll and search WhatsApp. Once you get access to the app info page, select the storage uses and clear all the caches. This will fix some glitches or minor glitches that is appearing on the application. Then open permissions option. Here make sure you have allowed all the applications permissions. The most important here is you need to turn on the app permissions on SMS or call logs. Tap on allow. Once you have done that, try re-entering your number again, then try receiving code. If that also did not work for you, as you come to the same page, you can see did not receive code link. You can tap on there and you can also try receiving call if you don't receive SMS from WhatsApp. And once you receive call from WhatsApp, it will tell you the WhatsApp 6-digit verification code where you can enter the code and easily create account on WhatsApp. If that also did not help for you, then you have to go to the WhatsApp help center. For that, open the Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. On the web address bar, you need to type in WhatsApp help center. And here select contact WhatsApp on this result page. Then tap on contact us link on the first option. And here you need to enter your phone number, email address, confirm the email address and the device you have been using. And here is the description box where you have to enter the issue that you have been facing and that you want to fix on WhatsApp. By describing your issue, you need to submit the request or a message request, then WhatsApp will help you to fix your WhatsApp verification code not received problem after a few hours. So by doing this all the steps, your problem might be fixed. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.